Introduction. Hello, YouTube. Welcome to your channel name. Today, we have an exciting topic for all the aspiring programmers out there. Learning Python coding for beginners. Whether you're a complete novice or someone with a bit of coding experience, this tutorial will guide you through the essential steps to kickstart your Python journey. So, let's dive right in. Slide 1. Why learn Python? Before we begin, let's quickly discuss why Python is an excellent choice for beginners. Python is known for its readability, simplicity, and versatility. It's widely used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and more. Plus, there's a fantastic community and an abundance of resources available. Now, let's move on to the steps. Slide 2. Set up your environment. The first step is to set up your coding environment. We recommend using Jupyter Notebooks, PyCharm, or Visual Studio Code. In this tutorial, we'll be using your chosen IDE. I'll guide you through the installation process, so don't worry if you're new to this. Slide 3. Learn Python basics. Once your environment is set up, it's time to dive into the basics. We'll cover fundamental concepts like variables, data types, loops, and conditional statements. Understanding these basics will provide a solid foundation for your coding journey. Slide 4. Practice, practice, practice. Practice is key to mastering any skill, and coding is no exception. I'll show you some simple exercises and challenges to reinforce what you've learned. Remember, the more you code, the more confident you'll become. Slide 5. Explore Python libraries. Now that you're comfortable with the basics, let's explore Python libraries. We'll take a look at libraries like NumPy for numerical computing and Pandas for data manipulation. These libraries will make your coding more efficient and powerful. Slide 6. Build mini projects. To apply your knowledge and gain hands-on experience, start building mini projects. We'll work on a simple project together in this tutorial, giving you a taste of real-world application and boosting your confidence. Slide 7. Join coding communities. Being part of a coding community is invaluable. I'll show you where to find Python communities online, such as forums, social media groups, and coding events. Networking with other learners and experienced developers can provide support, guidance, and inspiration. Slide 8. Learn from online resources. There are countless online resources for learning Python. From interactive tutorials to video courses, I'll recommend some popular platforms and websites where you can continue your learning journey at your own pace. Slide 9. Stay updated and keep learning. Python is an ever-evolving language, so it's crucial to stay updated on the latest developments. I'll share tips on how to keep learning and growing as a Python coder, including recommended books, blogs, and podcasts. Conclusion. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to learning Python coding for beginners. Remember, the key is consistency and practice. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Happy coding!